If you're sending a proposal to somebody and you are using, an A4 sheet of paper, or, something that looks very bland, so, very, very white, if it's not designed to look like that, then it's just not going to create any sort of wow factor. And that's what you really want to do here. This is the first opportunity that you've got to really stake your claim as to, we are the company that you really, really should be dealing with here. So I am going to be referencing better proposals because obviously this data is all from our platform. But what we've found is that you stand a 44% better chance of converting the proposal to a signed proposal if it contains a cover. Now, there's many different reasons why this might be the case, but we suspect it's because the first thing that they see is something that looks really, really smart. So that's definitely something to bear in mind here. Now, obviously, if you're using our product, this makes sense. If you're not, then try and give a little bit of thought to what the first thing that people actually see is. Is it something that looks really, really smart and is designed very nicely, or is it something that's using, boring fonts, low resolution logo, something not very colorful, not very inviting, or not very exciting? So give that some thought.